You're watching EAC News. Thanks for joining us. A team of United Nations agency representatives in Cambodia, led by UN Resident Coordinator Joseph Schur, met with Prime Minister Hun Sen on Tuesday afternoon at the Peace Palace in Phnom Penh. The Prime Minister's assistant, Ieng Sophalait, informed the media after the meeting that the Prime Minister and the UN representatives focused discussions on two main topics. The first was in setting goals for the royal government, with the support of the UN, with priority given to strengthening the resilient health system to move closer towards universal health coverage. The second topic was on strengthening the national social protection system by appointing the development and expansion of social protection coverage for poor and vulnerable families as the government's main priority, with the UN providing support on formulating the priority direction. During the meeting, the Prime Minister remarked that the UN system has been flexible in its implementation of the United Nations Development Assistance Framework, which is a socio-economic response framework that has helped to revise the royal government's capital and intervention goals to reducing vulnerabilities in Cambodia. The Prime Minister also noted that the UN has mobilized new resources to support the royal government's response to health and socio-economic rehabilitation needs. The Prime Minister commended the progress made by the UNDAF from 2019 to 2023, which underscores the joint efforts of all UN agencies in Cambodia and the excellent cooperation and strong partnership they have with government ministries and institutions. Regarding the preparation of the 2024 to 2028 UNDAF, the Prime Minister said that good progress has been made through inclusive consultations in a fruitful partnership environment. He encouraged stakeholders to continue their cooperation so that the new document can be completed as planned for May 2023, as this will act as the key cooperation framework between the UN and the royal government for the next 5 years. The Prime Minister requested the relevant UN agencies to continue developing their respective strategic programs in accordance with the existing consultation mechanism, and stated that the royal government will provide official support for the formation of these documents on the basis of review and approval through the Executive Council. On the two topics of strengthening resilient health systems towards universal health coverage and expanding the national social protection system, the Prime Minister said that discussions reflected a common understanding of progress, challenges, and strategic goals in Cambodia, of which human resource development will be highlighted as a key foundation in Phase 1 of the Pentagon Strategy. He also expressed his gratitude for the UN's commitment to supporting the royal government in strengthening the resilient health system towards universal health coverage and expanding the social protection system for the purpose of social development. The Prime Minister encouraged the relevant ministries and institutions of the royal government to continue working closely with UN agencies to turn these commitments and support into action.